welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to go for the soft beach wave hair look. So first I'm starting off with a week-old braid out. Before I take my braids out, I like to go in with a moisturizer. This is the Camille Rose moisturizer, and just add a little bit to my hair and ends to ensure more moisture. Then I'm going to take an oil. The oil that I'm going to be using is from the Hair Glory, which you can find them through Instagram, and everything will be listed down below, and I will be doing a separate video on this oil specifically, so make sure you guys hit that post notification just so you know when I post it. So I'm just going to add a few little drops in my palms, rub it in my hands, and put it all over my ends and the top of my hair. Never neglect the top of your hair, guys, trust me, never. So after I do this step, I'm just going to begin to taking my braids down, and while I'm taking my braids down, after I'm going to fluff them because I like a lot of volume when I do braid outs, or if I want like a soft beach wave look, and fluffing them really gives the soft beach wave look. I know some people don't like to fluff when they take their braids out, but I'm a fluffer, guys. These braids have been in my hair for a week, and it is long overdue for a wash. I normally wash my hair on Wednesdays, so yeah, I'm really stretching this braid out. So right now I'm just fluffing it to get the soft beach wave look. I'm just going to continue doing that until I get the desired look I am happy with. I tried to put like a little over, but it looked ugly, so then I'm gonna take some curling jelly just to make sure the top of my hair doesn't fly or get frizzy, and just continue fluffing it. There you guys have it, soft beach waves. This style is super easy, super cute, and it doesn't take long to do at all. If you guys want to know how I prepared this look, make sure you drop a comment below and let me know. Remember, I do new videos weekly, Wednesdays and Fridays, so make sure you hit that post notification down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next week.